Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Get ready to dive into the future of smartphones because today we're spilling the beans on the highly anticipated iPhone 15. Apple is back with another game changer and it's packed with jaw-dropping features and innovations that will leave you awestruck. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's explore the cutting-edge world of the iPhone 15. First up, let's talk design. The iPhone 15 boasts a sleek and stunning design with a ceramic back, making it not just beautiful but durable too. It's available in a variety of eye-catching colors to suit your style. Apple has also improved the water and dust resistance so you can take your iPhone 15 anywhere with confidence. Now, onto the display. Get ready for an immersive visual experience like never before. The iPhone 15 features a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR Pro display with ProMotion technology, delivering a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your feed, the display adapts to your every move, providing unparalleled clarity and responsiveness. Let's not forget about the camera, shall we? The iPhone 15 packs a powerhouse camera system that will take your photography and videography to the next level. With a 108-megapixel primary sensor, you'll capture every detail with precision. And for those low-light moments, night mode has been enhanced to make your photos shine in the darkest of settings. The iPhone 15 isn't just about stunning photos, it's a filmmaker's dream. It can record 8K video at 60 frames per second, giving your videos that professional cinematic touch. And with improved video stabilization, your footage will be buttery smooth, even on the move. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 is a powerhouse. It's powered by Apple's latest 16 Bionic chip, a true beast when it comes to performance. Say goodbye to lag and hello to lightning-fast speeds. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps, the iPhone 15 can handle it all with ease. But what good is power without longevity? The iPhone 15 features an improved battery that keeps you going all day and beyond. And when it's time to recharge, Apple has introduced 100W fast charging. It's lightning fast, so you can get back to your adventures in no time. There you have it, folks, the iPhone 15, a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. If you're as excited as we are about this upcoming release, hit that like button,